What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem here. Now in this video I'm going to do an unboxing and a review of the SOUNDANCE laptop stand. You know that ventilation is one of the most important thing in a laptop, such as when you're using the laptop on a daily basis. So for your laptop to last you a longer time, ensure that the fans are well ventilated. So in this video guys, I have here for you the SOUNDANCE laptop stand that I'm going to review for you guys. Now this stand can hold laptop from 10-inch to 15-inch. So I'm going to do the unboxing of it right now. So guys, I'm just going to do unboxing of this laptop stand right now. So I'm going to open the package. So this is user manual. Don't think I'm going to need this. So in the box, it basically comes in 3 parts. Place this side on the face. To the side. We have one part right here. As you can see guys, there are some little rubber on here that prevent your laptop from scratch, which is a good idea. And this one is basically the same thing. And the thing I love about this is that it feels premium. So this feel like is a aluminum build. So this feel pretty sturdy. So I don't think this will have a problem to put your laptop on. So I'm going to set it up right now and show you guys how this actually works. So let me put this to the side. Right, so this part right here must place underneath right here. So let me put this part right here to the top. So I'm basically turning it upside down. So this part right here gonna slide into this part right here. So I'm gonna slide this in. Put this to the side. Don't need that as yet. So I'm gonna slide this part right here. Wait for it to clamp. And I'm gonna slide this part right over here. Right into place right here. And this guys, you realize that there's some rubber right here. That means this basically cannot slide off from your decks. So these are some rubber grip right here to actually hold your laptop sturdy on any given surface. Let me turn it over. That's it guys, this is laptop stand. So it's where you place your laptop right here. Now this basically can hold laptop from 10-inch to actually 15-inch or 15.5-inch laptop. So it's pretty sturdy and you actually probably worth the price for its money. Right, I love the build, but one thing I don't love about it though is because it can't adjust. I haven't seen any adjustment on this where I can adjust it. So let me place my laptop on it right now and see how well it fits on it. So I'm going to place my laptop on this right now. So this is my laptop on the stand right now guys. So it fit perfectly on it. So I feel kind of sturdiness right now. So I love the design of this stand right here. I love the color. I love how it blends perfectly with my laptop right here. But when you're typing, it may feel a bit awkward right here. So what you want to do is to get an external keyboard where you can place on the ear so you make your typing more easier, other than stretching up here to basically typing. So overall, this is a good stand that you can use so it doesn't strain you to look down at the computer each time. It basically fits your perfect eye level of this laptop stand right here. I love the build quality and I love how sturdy this look. Even though this stand is not adjustable, it fits perfectly fine on this right here. The thing that I admire about this stand right here is that it has a little hole at the back for some cable management that you can put your cable in at the back of this right here. So guys, my Lenovo IdeaPad 3 fits perfectly fine on this stand right here. I have already done a video on this computer right here, so you can click the card above to watch that video where I do a review on this computer right here. So overall, I love this stand guys, and I think that's something that you guys should consider having. So if you want one of these, I will leave a link in my description that you guys can purchase. Overall, if this video was helpful, please remember to smash that like button, subscribe to this channel for more tech tips like this. And as always, thanks for watching and I see you guys in my next video.